utmost respect for him. I still consider him a friend. If he wants to talk to me about it, he's more than welcome to anytime. He has my number. So that's all I will say about it.
How about any comment po, Kong, doon sa sinabi ni former President Rodrigo Duterte sa prayer rally last night? Binigyan niya ng grado
I'm not gonna comment on any statements of any former presidents because I don't think it would be appropriate. I still think, given that they are former heads of state, that they should be afforded the same respect that the current head of state should be afforded as well.
Nagsugod na ng tambalos-los na storya. Kinsay nabilin sa akong amahan, sa inyong former president. Wala. Mo nang di gyud ta mausab kay daghang kay mga politiko nga wa gyoy baruganan